Humayun Bashir, Country General Manager of IBM. Well, IT sector has gone through its ups and downs. For many companies, the last 3 years, surprisingly, have been fairly good. Some have done exceedingly well, particularly those who are in total solutions and services. And some companies have also done well in terms of work outside Pakistan, and that is something positive. However, what has been missing, particularly in the last 3 years, is some direction, some support, some funding, some development or encouragement from the government. We do not have an IT secretary that owns or drives this thing. There have been intermittent postings. There have been intermittent positions of IT minister. The software export board position was vacant for a long period. We have a good gentleman there, and we hope the next 2 years the government will put its act together, and that is one of the pillars of the work that needs to be done. The Pakistan economy is going through triple whammy in terms of low growth, inflation, and issues related to lack of energy or very expensive energy, contributing to higher cost of operations. So that is affecting the bottom line and the businesses in general. Particularly the small and medium businesses have been badly impacted due to power outages and the other points that I mentioned. We need to return to 5-7% GDP growth and contain the inflation and manage the war on terror in a genuine way. It can be managed like Sri Lanka did, like Ireland or United Kingdom did over the last few years. These are history points that we can take lessons from. The IT industry has to, because these are difficult times, has to contribute in terms of improvement in reducing costs, offering better services, adopting new technologies, outsourcing some of the work that can reduce costs, using new technologies like cloud computing, using business analytics to analyze data so as to get better decision making. These are some of the steps that, but it is coupled with the economy also growing. So it's a chicken and egg kind of situation.